Hey guys, so today Levi and I have come to Manly, which is on the northern side of Sydney. We've crossed the bridge and we're going to go for a little bit of a kayak. We're here at the Manly Kayak Centre. We're going to rent a kayak and paddle out to a beach called Store Beach. It's meant to be awesome. It's meant to be this like little secluded part of Sydney's coastline. Yeah, cannot wait to get out and check out some of the waters. It's a stupidly awesome day. Perfect weather, the water's really warm. And I mean, look at where we are. You can't beat this. I'm working. Someone's got a video. Okay, so we made it. Paddle about, what do you reckon? 20, 30 minutes max. And it wasn't that hard. It was a pretty easy paddle. Honestly, worth every minute of it. I mean, look at this. You can't actually drive or walk to this beach. So, you know, on this beach, there is one couple over there, another couple over there, and that's it. There's 6 of us on this entire beach. Got it all to ourselves, and the water, some of the clearest water you will find in Sydney. It's absolutely insane. The water is the perfect temperature. It's so good. So before we left, we got some Subway and packed a couple of chips and some drinks. We're gonna have lunch here. This is the perfect setting for lunch. I mean, you can't beat this for a view. Okay, check this out. This is really disgraceful. Look at that.
That cannot be seen.
That is, oh, yeah, wow. Seriously, this place is amazing. A lot of people that know about it might be a little bit annoyed that I'm sharing it with you and doing a video on it, but honestly, it is worth coming out here. It's time to go home. So I've lived in Sydney for pretty much most of my life, and this is an area that I've never ever been to. I didn't know anything about it, had no idea it even existed, but I'm so happy that I got out there and explored this hidden part of the northern beaches. It is absolutely beautiful and I can't recommend it enough. Get out there and do it.